Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, an account and a server. First, invite Vortex Bot and grant manage roles plus send messages so it can function. Next, create a dedicated bot role and move it above any roles it needs to manage. Once done, open the bot dashboard or use the invite command in server to register the bot. Make sure you save the bot token securely if asked, and confirm intents are enabled in developer settings before continuing. Now you configure behavior. In the bot dashboard, enable gateway intents and set the command prefix so your server won't conflict with other bots. Then enable modules like moderation, auto role, or welcome. Assign which channels handle logs, commands, and welcomes so messages stay organized. You'll next create rule sets, for example mute thresholds and banwords lists, and test each with a non-admin account. Once each module responds correctly, adjust cooldowns and role mappings to refine automation. Finish by running live scenarios. Give a warning, trigger an auto role, and run standard commands so you see real responses. If something fails, first adjust rate limits and cooldowns. Many problems are timing or permission related, and make sure the bot role remains above affected roles. If issues persist, verify that gateway intents are enabled, the bot token is valid, and the server role order hasn't changed. That single misordered role often causes permission failures. One troubleshooting tip: restart the bot after changes to clear cached permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.